It's possible to model flow segments for HVAC and piping. First, let's open the Profile panel and filter on Piping Profiles. We'll drag and drop a profile onto the modeling area and start drawing flow segments, as if we would draw lines in 3D. Note that flow fittings are created automatically to connect the flow segments. To be able to manipulate the segments easily, we'll turn on the selection of sides and ends in the toolbar. We can now use these abstractions of the side faces to drag pipes to another location, or use the end grip to give the pipe a different length or orientation. Note that the flow fitting between these two segments has been updated automatically, so the two pipes stay connected. We'll add another pipe in this drawing. Now we can connect these two pipes and select Flow Connect in the quad. Pressing the Control key gives you different options to cycle through.